and in this video I'll be discussing about Skillbuilder. So it's a new startup that we have actually started, and this is exactly for the tech enthusiastic people who actually want to work on the tech side and they want to upgrade their skills. So Skillbuilder is actually for them, and I'll be actually working with skill builders, and I've been instructor with skill builder and offering four top quality courses that I'll be offering. So first course is web automation with Cypress Bootcamp, web automation with Selenium Bootcamp, and API automation bootcamp. Plus, I will be also covering performance tests in this. And for the people who want to come in the QS side and want to learn about QS, for them, actually I have come up with software testing course as well. So this is a very exciting course for the people who want to transform their manual career into test automation side. So I'll be looking forward to all of you guys. Thank you so much for your time and see you there.